Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can enter the Play Store. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Right here, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in or create the account, and then after logging, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Then let's tap on My Apps and Games and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously installed apps, and in order to check whether we've got some updates available, tap on this section right here. And as you can see, in my case, I've got all of them. Maybe not all, because I've got one app which is already updated. I've got 38 updates pending, which simply means that, of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. And if not, you can simply pick some options, some apps. So I will pick the Google Chrome and maybe Google One. So after marking them, simply tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And here, as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that, it will automatically install them. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.